Welcome to this PIERRE Academy tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to connect a 1-gang light module and go through the most common mistakes. We open the user application, go to Settings, choose Add Wave I/O, find Device, and try to enter pairing mode. At first, the indicator doesn't flash, so we check the power. The phase wire is connected and the neutral is supplied through the lamp. Using a voltage tester, we confirm the phase is live. Then, we check the neutral with a multimeter, and everything is correct. Sometimes the problem is simply a burned-out lamp. To test, we disconnect the system, remove the module, and directly wire the lamp with a quick connector. We power it up, and if it doesn't light, the lamp is faulty. Replacing it with a new lamp, it lights immediately. We turn off the power again, reconnect the module, and provide it with the phase and the lamp. After powering on, the lamp still doesn't light. We can test the module manually using the pairing button on top. Pressing it once turns the lamp on, pressing again turns it off. This confirms both the lamp and the module are working perfectly. We hold the pairing button until the blue LED flashes, then release it. The app detects the device. In the application, we choose Add Found Device, select the type of switch, and finish the setup. Important: when pairing the module under power, do not touch the connectors at the bottom, as all of them are live, including COM and S1. And that's it. See you in the next video.